Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've got a whole bunch of new skincare products that have come in that I'm going to share with you. Some of them are complete, just kind of opening them in front of you, and some of them I've had a little chance to play with. So keep watching and I will talk you through everything. If you are new here and you love skincare, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and you can also ring the bell if you would like to be notified every time I upload a new video, which is usually on Wednesdays and Sundays. Okay, so firstly, I'm going to show you some products that were kindly sent from Amazingi. Amazingi is an online destination in Germany that specializes in natural and organic skincare and makeup and men's grooming products. They've got all sorts of stuff from some of the really well-known brands like Tata Harper and May Lindstrom to also some of the more kind of up-and-coming skincare brands that you might not find in other places, but you can be guaranteed that everything that you will find there will be kind of like eco-friendly, natural and organic. So if that's the kind of thing that you're into, you should definitely check them out. I've just got a few bits from them. They recently started stocking a brand called VOTARY. Now VOTARY is a British skincare brand that specializes in oils. They've got all different types of oils for all different types of things. They've recently brought out some retinol products that are kind of oil based that I haven't used personally, but I've heard that they're very nice. What I was sent was just a couple of bits. I've got the pillow spray, which I'm really excited about because you guys know that I love the This Works pillow spray. I actually did kind of like an overview of a load of different products from This Works, which includes all the different pillow sprays that they've got, so I'll link that up above. So it's quite interesting to try something different. Now they definitely, this does smell different from the one from This Works. It comes in this gorgeous dark bottle and it's lavender, but with some other stuff as well. It's also got chamomile in, and I think that there's a few other things going on in there. It's really, really, really nice and works in the way that you would expect a pillow spray to smell. Now, I will say that this does definitely smell lovely. I still personally prefer the smell of the This Works one. However, what I will say about this is I feel like the scent lasts longer on the pillow than the one that I have from This Works. So even though I prefer that one slightly more, I definitely do like the scent of this. I feel like this one, yeah, the scent lingers for a lot longer. They also sent me this mini size of the Superseed facial oil. Now this is a fragrance-free facial oil, so it doesn't contain like perfumed essential oils, which is really, really good. I think that that's kind of the type of oil that I prefer to use on my face. It's got a smell, I can't remember which one it was. There's a oil from Sunday Riley that is also, you know, free of the perfumed oils that smells just like this. It reminds me of that. I haven't had a chance to use it yet, but I'm really looking forward to, because oils can just be really, really nice on the skin when I'm in the mood for them. And I like that this is fragrance free. And I also like that this is in like this tiny mini 50ml. I'm not sure if they actually sell it in this size, but I'm sure that they do. So I will link it down below, because I know that the products from this brand are super, super expensive, but very, very good quality. So if you can just go in and try a mini one first, and that's really good because you can see if you like it or not, and there's enough in there to really give it a go, and then you can see if you like it or not, or it's great for travel, before you go in and commit to buying a full-size bottle. The last one I'm going to show you that Amazingi sent me is called Vivasana Organic Sun Care. Now this is a natural SPF. They say that it's deep hydration, strong barrier protection, potent antioxidant serum, broad spectrum SPF 30. So broad spectrum, I'm assuming that's UVA and UVB, and the active ingredient that they use in this is zinc oxide. Now I don't know a huge amount about natural SPFs, I'm not gonna lie. I've tried a couple in the past and I have been extremely disappointed with them. I did try this on the back of my hand. I haven't had a chance to use it on my face. Now, they've definitely put a slight tint in this. It's not completely clear. And the only thing that I will say is that it's very, very, very thick and a little bit greasy and heavy. So it's not necessarily something that I would feel comfortable using day to day in the city, because it hasn't got the most sophisticated formula. It's full of different oils. It's got organic argan kernel oil. It's got green tea seed oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil. It's full of oils. It's also got vitamin E in it. So I'm not sure how this would be on people with congested skin or anything like that. Personally, for me, it's just a little bit too heavy for day to day in the city. It's more something that I would reach for when I would head to the beach or by the pool or something like that. But before I would do that, I would really want to investigate on how much coverage this offers, how much you need to use in order to get the SPF 30 rating that's on the tube. So I'm interested in this. I know that some of you will definitely be interested in a more natural option as an SPF, but I think that I really do need to investigate a little bit more on this to see if it's something that I would personally feel comfortable using and something that I would recommend to you lot. I placed another YesStyle order the other day, which is really exciting. It was just a tiny one. I basically bought a backup of the Klairs Soft Airy UV Essence SPF 50. I'll link the review up above. And I got a backup of that for Christian, but I also wanted to try the Purito Cantella Green Level Safe Sun SPF 50 plus PA+++++. This is another kind of super lightweight, fabulous SPF that just feels invisible on the skin. I've been using it for a couple of days only, but already I really, really love it. I think that it's just, yeah, got a super lightweight formula that I love, and I just need to test it out a little bit more before I can give you my proper feedback on this, but so far I'm loving it. In addition, I just got like a couple of mini sizes because there were a few things that I wanted to try and I just didn't want to commit to buying them in the full size, and YesStyle have just got all of these things that you can buy in minis, so that was really good. So I got the Laniege water sleeping mask. I know that a lot of you will have probably tried these before, and I also got the lip sleeping mask. Now I haven't used this yet. I have used the lip sleeping mask, and this is, I'm not sure how I feel about this. I did put a little bit too much on last time I used it. It's nice. It's kind of, it does feel a bit synthetic-y almost. It's just like a really thick lip balm. I think I like it. I'm not quite sure. I need to like test it out a little bit more and see how I feel. Part of me likes it, part of me doesn't, but it is quite nice, but I need to test it out a little bit more. And then the last mini thing that I got was the Pyeongkangyul Essence Toner. I'm not sure if this is Korean or Japanese. I'm not entirely sure. I've got a feeling it would be Korean. Yes, it's made in Korea. I know a lot of people really, really, really like this, and I've used this a couple of times and I love it. It's really, really super lightweight. I was looking for a super lightweight essence. It's really nice. Just one kind of skin of this has been really nice as a hydrating layer in my skincare routine, and so far so good. But again, I need to test it out a little bit more and find out exactly what's in it as well. I was also sent some products by a place in the UK. It's an online store and it's called Modern Man. I'll put a link to them with everything else in the description box. And they sent me a few nice little bits, which I'm really, really pleased with. They sent me this Institute Estherderm Paris, which is basically like a mist, and it's got hydration and antioxidants in. I kind of opened this on my Insta stories on Instagram the other day, and someone sent me a DM about this and said that it's really nice as a makeup primer that they were using this for. I used it this morning and I just felt like it was a fragrance-free mist. It just felt like water on the face, or like a like a very light essence or something like that. Really nice, but again, I need to investigate it a little bit more. But I think that that's quite interesting that it's got some other things in it and it's not just water. I received a couple of shaving products, which I know a lot of you won't be interested in. So I'll just talk about these very, very quickly because I know that some of you will be. So I got sent this Edwin Jagger premium shaving cream. So this is a British brand, and they also sent me this razor, which is really nice because sometimes I do like to wet shave. I just can't do it all of the time because my skin just goes crazy. It's like a proper, like old-fashioned gentleman's razor, and it's made in Sheffield in the UK. And Sheffield is one of those places where everything like stainless steel and metal, all the manufacturing, like in the old days, that was where it was done. Unfortunately, I think that a lot of people don't use it as much as they used to. So it's really nice to see a company coming up that's really kind of utilizing the old-fashioned way of doing things and made in Sheffield in England. So that's really cool. So they've got that. And then, yeah, they've also got the shaving cream to go with it, which also seems like it's made in England as well. So that's quite interesting. So I look forward to trying those and letting you know what I think. In addition, they also sent me a couple of products from Patrick's. Now, I've heard of this brand. They've got like hair care and styling products for men. And I've got a thick hair deep clean shampoo and a thick hair moisturizing conditioner. And the shampoo smells like violet tobacco leaf, and the conditioner is Vetiver Black Lily. If you're not following me on Instagram, consider checking out my page, because sometimes I might talk about something like this and then there might sometimes be a follow-up on Instagram and not on YouTube. So if you're interested to see how these different things go, then consider following me on Instagram as well, because I'm posting about different things on there in addition. The last thing that Modern Man sent me was the Dr. Jackson's night cream. I really like Dr. Jackson's. That's another British brand, and it is very gender neutral, and they have natural skincare products and they're really nice. And they've sent me a night cream, which is really, really cool. I've used a few Dr. Jackson's products in the past and I've really, really liked them. And I think that if you're shopping around for natural skincare, creams and moisturizers are really good products to look for, because I think that's quite an easy product to formulate naturally. It's more if you're looking for actives and things like that, then I personally prefer like peptides, retinol, that kind of thing. That's where I prefer to go for synthetic products. The last ones I'm going to show you, I was a bit surprised when I received them. I was like, okay. It's from This Works, and they kind of send me something new like once a month. And this time they sent me stuff for the legs and for the feet and like the chest. So it's like preparing your skin for the summer. Now they've got like a leg scrub here. The reason why actually I was surprised is because they sent me Perfect Cleavage Firming Lotion. So that's clearly not for me. However, I've been using it and I really, really like it. I love the packaging of This Works. It's so, I don't know, I just think that it's so good. It feels solid and nice, and it's all airless, and well, it's not all airless. The things that need to be airless are airless and everything else isn't. But this is, and it's great. And I've been using it on my neck, and it's got marine algae, hyaluronic acid, and it's basically a really, really thick cream. And I've been using it on my neck and I really, really like it. It's not something that I would put on my face, but you can put it on your cleavage. You can also put it on your neck. I just use it on my neck, and I have to say, I've been liking it. I also used the leg scrub, which I actually really needed because my legs needed a really, really good scrub. So you can see here that I've been using it. It smells nice. They're kind of naturally fragranced. This is, it says it's a 100% natural scrub. Really nice. It's got pink Himalayan salt in. It made my skin super moisturized afterwards, and I could smell this like in my bathroom for ages afterwards, even though I cleaned the bath. You will definitely need to give the bath a proper clean after using this, because it will leave kind of a greasy residue on it. But I thought that it was really nice and I really, really liked it. you don't necessarily need to go to This Works to get a leg scrub. Loads of people do different scrubs, but I did really like it. It's nice. Then in addition, they sent me a couple of products which I haven't really tried. They've got this, which is the Perfect Legs Skin Miracle. It says it's a powerful serum with vitamin C to perfect, repair and enhance. Now I think that like body products with actives such as vitamin C and things in are a really good idea, and there aren't that many of them. So again, this is packaged in this lovely container. But what's nice about this, which I'll just show you, is it's slightly tinted, but not in a way that's going to make you like greasy or streaky. It will just add like a tiny bit of colour to your legs, which I actually think is a really good idea in the summer. So you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it has just given my hand a little bit of colour, and I don't find it streaky or anything like that. And it's quite nice that it's got a little bit of vitamin C in as well, so it will just help with the antioxidant protection and just boost collagen and just kind of generally help improve the health of the skin on your legs. Then the last one was the Perfect Heals Rescue Balm. I haven't used this yet. It's just a little tube. This is more something that I would use in the winter, I think. But again, if you're going to be getting your feet and your legs out in the summer, I guess that you probably would need to moisturize your feet if they're dry. So I haven't tried this yet. I don't even think that I've smelt it. It smells quite nice actually. I like that. Yeah, no, it smells really nice, and I imagine it's just a moisturising balm, but I haven't used it yet. So that's it for all the new products that have come in this month. There was quite a lot of new bits to show you, which is really exciting. The ones that I like will definitely be coming up in future reviews, skincare regimes, that kind of thing. But yeah, it's always just nice to see new different products that are out there, what's coming in, what I'm being sent, what I'm buying, and all that kind of thing. I hope you found it useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.